Friends, many types of glass relay are there. Among all these relay, you will find two things in common. First is relay and second is base. As you can see, I have a relay here. Below this relay here, you can see model number is written MY2. Now this model number of relay here, through this model number, you will get to know that how many pins are there in this relay. I mean how many contact is placed with it. If over your glass relay MY2 is written, it means there you will find two contact. After this, here are two terminals for doing connection. Overall there are total 8 terminals for doing connection. How to do connection, I will explain you later in this video. After this, if on your relay MY3 is written, then it is sure that relay you have, inside that relay there are total 3 contact. That is 3 NO NC contact are there and total 11 terminals are there for doing connection. Similarly, if on your relay MY4N is written, then it means that inside that relay 4 NONC contact are there. Total number of NONC contact will be 12. Besides, 2 coil terminals are there. If we count these also, then in total 14 terminals are there. Here 4 number means inside this relay how many contact are there. If you want to operate the relay, then in this condition, relay you have to see the operating voltage of the relay. Like you can see the coil of this relay, here it is written 240 volt AC. It means to operate this relay, you have to connect 240 volt AC power supply. Now if you look towards another relay, so here I have another relay, you can see model number of both the relay is same. Now this relay here, operating voltage of this is 240 and operating voltage of this relay is 12 volt. Similarly, I have one more relay. If you look into the coil of relay, then here it is written 24 volt DC. Here I have 3 different types of relay. Model number is same for all, but operating voltage is different for each one. If you go to market to buy a relay, then there for relay which works on AC power supply, you will find 12 volt, 24 volt, 110 volt and 220 volt operating voltage relay you will find. Similarly, relay which works on DC power supply, 12 volt, 24 volt, 48 volt and 110 volt you can find. So this was rated operating voltage of relay. Now for MY2N type relay, when you look at the circuit diagram for this, then there you will find that relay you have 9 and 12 number terminals of relay. Both these terminals are common terminals. Like here you can see, we didn't connected any power supply with this relay, and in this condition, this common contact here, this contact is connected with this pin. So this will be NC contact. After this contact here, this contact is in open condition right now. So this contact will be our NO contact. Now this 9 number terminal here, contact of this is of moving type. One power supply can go here, one power supply can go here. And this 9 number contact here will do movement this side and this side. Similarly, this 12 number common terminal here is connected with 4 number point. After this, there is 5 number and 8 number terminal for NO contact. So after going through the circuit diagram, we get to know this relay here, 9 and 12 number terminal in this relay are both common terminals. So I written common here. After this, 1 and 4 number terminals here are connected with this point. So 1 and 4 number terminals are of NC contact. After this, 5 and 8 number terminals are in open condition. So these are NO contact. Now 13 and 14 number terminals here are of relays coil terminals. Whether relay works on AC or relay works on DC. In both the conditions, 13 and 14 number terminals are there for coil. After this, if we look towards MY3N type relay, in this relay, 3 NONC contact are there. I already told you about this. Here 7, 8 and 9 number terminal, all 3 are common terminal. I am writing here 7, 8, 9 terminals are common terminals in MY3N type. After this, 4, 5, 6 number terminal here are open type. I mean they are NO contact. After this, 1, 2 and 3 number terminals are NC contact. After this, in MY3N type relay here, in this coil terminals are 10 and 11. So I am writing coil here. Now here in MY4N type relay, In this relay also you will find same type of connection. Look here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 number terminals, all these terminals are NC contact. So I written here NC. After this 5, 6, 7, 8, these are NO contact. So I am writing NO contact here. After this 9, 10, 11 and 12 number terminals here, these are common terminals. After this 13 and 14 number terminal will be coil terminals. Now relay I have here, when you go for connection of these relay, then how to do connection, let's understand this also. So here I am talking about MY2N type of relay. If you want to do connection with this relay, then relay you have, make symbol of coil of relay. So I am making a symbol of coil. Now as I told you, in MY2N type relay, you will find two NO and NC contact. So I am making contact here. This is our common and these are NO and C. Similarly, you have to make one more contact in this way. Here I am talking about AC power supply. So in AC power supply, on 13 number terminal, if you give phase supply, and on 14 number terminal, if you give neutral power supply, then in this condition, your relay will turn on. In the same way in DC relay, same thing you have to do. On 13 number terminal, you have to give positive power supply, and on 14 number terminal, you have to give negative power supply. Now what we will do, this contact here, with common terminal, we connect phase supply. After this, from NO contact, take the supply and provide power supply to a lamp. And to this lamp, we will directly provide neutral power supply. In the same way here also, this phase supply here, from this connect one wire and to this contact also provide phase supply. After this, with NO contact, connect a lamp and to this lamp here provide neutral power supply directly. If you want, you can connect this lamp with NC contact also, but for now I connected with NO contact. This connection I told you, like this whole connection, I did the connection practically. For now I used only one lamp. Now this MCB here, if I turn on this MCB, then you will see lamp will turn on. You can see lamp turned on. Along with this, by turning off MCB, lamp is turned off. Now look at the contact of this relay. I am turning on the MCB, you can see contact changed in this. When we turn off, contact goes again to normal position. You can see contact changed, again goes to normal position. Contact changed, back to normal. So to the coil of this relay, by giving power supply, we can change the NO-NC contact of this relay. And through this contact, we can turn on any load and can turn it off also. Friends, I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, give like on my video. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.